Have you ever looked up at the night sky and noticed a bright reddish dot? That's Mars. It's the fourth planet from the Sun, sitting right next to Earth in our solar system, like a rusty red neighbor. Elon Musk, a dreamer and builder, wants to do more than just visit Mars. He wants to build a city there. He imagines people living, working, and playing on Mars just like on Earth. It all started when Elon was a kid. In 1969, he watched astronauts land on the moon during the Apollo missions. That made him think, wow, humans can live on other worlds. Elon also grew up reading sci-fi books about space adventures. He believes humans should live on more than one planet, a backup plan for our future. When Elon Musk checked NASA's website for a Mars mission, there was none, so Elon said, I'll do it myself. His company, SpaceX, builds reusable rockets, making space travel cheaper and easier. The biggest rocket, Starship, is designed to carry people to Mars. Elon's dream is a giant puzzle. He's building rockets, planning cities, and inspiring the next generation. He wants kids to get excited about science and exploration. The challenge is huge, but that's what makes it an adventure. Elon Musk is on a mission to turn his starry dream into a real place for future generations. He's not just thinking about himself, he's thinking about all of us. SpaceX's work is about making the impossible possible. Imagine a future where humans have homes on 2 planets. That's the adventure Elon wants to begin. He's putting the pieces together step by step. Big dreams need big efforts, and Elon's dream is one for all humanity. The idea of all these Mars missions is that we can advance our understanding of the universe and have more scientific discoveries. It will spark awesome new inventions for the future. Why did Elon pick Mars? It's the most Earth-like planet we can reach. Mars isn't too hot or too cold, unlike Venus or Jupiter. A day on Mars is just a little longer than a day on Earth. Mars is called the Red Planet because of its rusty dust. It has giant mountains, deep canyons, and even weather, clouds, dust storms, and seasons. Scientists think Mars once had rivers and maybe even oceans. Exploring Mars could help us solve mysteries about life in the universe. Mars has solid ground, enough sunlight for solar panels, and is close enough for rockets. We can't land on gas giants, but Mars is a fixer-upper with good bones. That's why Mars is the perfect place for a grand human adventure. It's a world waiting to be explored. The journey is long, but possible. Mars is our best shot at a second home, and that's why Elon chose it. Living on Mars is tough, nothing like moving to a new town. The air is thin and full of carbon dioxide, so you'd need a spacesuit to breathe. Water is scarce. Mars is drier than any desert on Earth. Scientists believe there's frozen water underground and at the poles. The challenge is to get that ice, melt it, and make it safe to drink. Food is another problem. No farms or grocery stores on Mars. Settlers will need to grow their own food in special greenhouses. Mars is freezing cold and gets hit with more radiation than Earth. Without a strong magnetic field, people will need thick walls or underground homes for protection. Every challenge on Mars is big, but not impossible. It will take brave, smart people to solve these problems. Mars is a planet full of challenges, but every problem is a chance for a new solution. That's what makes the adventure exciting. The first Martians will be true pioneers. How do we solve Mars' big problems? Elon's team gets creative. For air, they'll use machines to turn Mars carbon dioxide into oxygen and rocket fuel. Robots will dig for ice, melt it, and store water for drinking and growing food. Greenhouses, biodomes, will let settlers grow plants using hydroponics and special lights. To stay safe, Martian homes will be built with thick walls or underground using local materials. Some habitats might even be 3D printed from Martian soil. Every challenge is met with science and imagination. Living off the land is key, using what Mars gives us. Robots, machines, and smart ideas will make life possible. The first Martian meal might be a salad grown millions of miles from Earth. Step by step, the city will grow. Every solution brings us closer to a new world. That's the power of teamwork and innovation. Elon Musk's dream is about hope and the future of humanity. By reaching for Mars, we invent new technologies and learn to solve tough problems. These lessons help us on Earth too. The Mars adventure will need people from all over the world: scientists, engineers, farmers, and dreamers. Fun fact: Elon's Mars city might have 1 million people one day, with robot builders making houses from Mars dirt. Plus, Mars has a huge volcano called Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. It's the largest volcano and highest mountain in the solar system. Working together, we can do amazing things. Your generation might see this dream come true. Maybe you'll watch the first people walk on Mars, or even be one of them. The future is open, and you can help write its story. Every big journey starts with a single dream. Elon's dream is to make humans cosmic explorers, living on Mars and beyond. The future is something we build together. Maybe one day humanity's story will shine on two worlds.